Alright, it's time to do an Eastern Horde 70 Shadow Ops. 4,000 points. Let's go in and get it done. First step when you attack. You're sending in the technicals. Technicals will get rid of the jackals. Alright. This jackal will attack. We'll just kill him, then we'll get rid of the other two. He's there, that's it. We fly by. We kill him. We fly by these two. We get rid of them. Oh, he fired. You don't want to get close to him. He will fire. Thankfully, he didn't get us. What we're going to do is we're going to kill this air, but we got to avoid this because this will kill your technicals. So when the fire goes out, there we go. There's no hurry. We got all the time in the world. That's good. We're just going to kill there, but you got to avoid this guy. He will make your life painful. Once the air comes back, we'll do that. Then we'll send in some envoys and see what kind of damage. Okay, this guy is way too close. All right. All right, let's clear this bad turkey out right here. He's gone. All right, let's send some envoys in. See where they're going to come in. All right, that's not a bad spot. Okay, we're going to clear out this section. So let's just come in with guns blazing. All right. Now we want to come over here, shoot these guys one time, drive them over there so that we can clear that out. One time. All you want to do is drive them over. That way it's easier to kill all this stuff here. Wait till he goes away because he will attack you. Now let's go. Don't get close to these two guys. They will kill you. Okay, that's as far as we can go. For now, we'll get those guys later. Watch out. Alright. Same thing here. We'll drive these guys over here a little bit and see if we can clear out these guys. Alright, we got them. We didn't get him yet, but we'll get him later. We'll do what we need to do. Clear out these guys so they don't hurt us later. This little squirt down below, pain in the neck, kill him off. He's pushing the paint off of our planes. All right. We're good to go there. Let's go to the other side. Clear up some messes over there. Kix keeps redesigning these bases, making them just a little bit tougher. But they're not really difficult. You just got to get your angles right. We'll kill him so we can kill him. Alright, that's taken care of. Now we'll go over here. Clean out these guys. That way they won't damage our Jericho when we send the Jericho in. Let's clean this up. Then we'll clean up this guy's here. Alright, that's good enough. Don't want the Tempest to take us out. Stay away from the Tempest. And I better stop. If I stop, the Tempest will turn around. There you go. Stop. Just stop. If anybody's chasing you, just stop. All right, here. Be careful how you do it. You want to kill this hunter. Shoot this guy. Don't shoot this guy. You'll die. Shoot this guy, and you should get the hunter. All right, now we've done that. We need to send in Jericho because we need to clear out this air. This air is going to hurt. Well, this one, the Tempest. So we'll send in Jericho. Line it up here so that he doesn't shoot you, and he's gone. Okay, Jericho's gone. Now, we're going to come in and clean this part out, and then we're going to go over here and get rid of this hunter. So we'll send the envoys back in. Looks like somebody shot him a little bit. They'll end up with a little bit of damage, but hopefully not much. All right, he's gone. Now we want to go right about here. We want to shoot this way and clear out this. This will clear out all this stuff here for you. All right, come out here and stop. Now, we're going to get a little bit of damage because we got to shoot here to kill the hunter. This guy will shoot us and give us a little bit of damage, but this will clear that whole area out. So we'll take just a little bit of damage for the opportunity to get rid of the hunter. Oh, okay, our time's up. Let's go in and do it again. Just slowly take the base apart. All right, send in the envoys. Come on, get over the lag. Let me start working again. All right, again, the angle is your key. You want to come in and shoot here. Come out here and just wait a little bit. Now we'll clear out all this stuff here. Once you clear that out, you can send your Jericho in. Kill what you didn't get yet. Don't get, okay, that's it. Don't get any closer. Yeah, we got to get him out of there. All right. Let's kill him. One more shot. We got to get these guys out of here. They will tend to destroy your Jericho. And if we work this right, we may get him. Not a problem. All right, get rid of him. The Jericho will take out the anti-air. So send Jericho in right here. Oh wait, these guys are going to be a problem. Well, let's see what happens. Yeah. All right, stop. You stop and they'll turn around. And the answer is no. There they go. All right, let's go get rid of the air up here. Jericho is just getting rid of the air. We got a hunter up here we got to get rid of. All right, what do we got? We got to get rid of this guy. I know what we do. Okay, these guys are here, and as soon as we reset the base, they'll be gone. So we're just going to reset the base. There's no sense fighting them. Just go back in, and they're all gone. Because we got to get rid of this anti-air. And we got to get rid of this guy. And then we can kill that guy. It's just a step-by-step process. If you're in a hurry, don't do it. All right, let's go right here. Take you out. All right, that's good. Now we will go right here and take out the Tempest. Okay, he's gone. Now we can use our envoys to kill most of the rest. Alright, envoys are coming in. We're going to get rid of the railgun. Alright, railgun's gone. Now, we got one more hunter we got to get rid of. So we will come in right here. Shoot here. We're going to kill the hunter. You went too far. Come back a little bit. Come back a little bit. You got to get your angle right. Right there. We're going to kill the hunter. Boom. They're gone. All right, now. Tempest is chasing us. Just stop. If we stop, he'll turn around. Turn around. All right. We're going to go up here, and we're going to get rid of him because he will shoot our Jericho. Get your angle right, and you can kill him easily. He's gone. All right. These guys are gone. Now, before you shoot the Jericho in, you got to get rid of this guy. So, we will send in some Furies. The Furies will clear out the gun. Once he's gone, then the rest is done with Jericho. And then you're done. All right, he's gone. Jericho to the rescue. And there you have it. 70's dead. And I'm not going to get anything because I'm on my third or fourth time through. So, let's send them home and see how much damage you get. Really, we're not going to get much damage. Where are we going? Down there, okay. Let's go see how much damage everything has. It will be minimal. Start your repairs. 21 seconds on the envoy. What else did we have? We had a Jericho. 26 seconds on the Jericho. That's it. Okay, enjoy. Bye.